Alright, I've got my high voltage relays punched through my paper here, so I have a schematic layout of the relay connections for my entire matrix switchboard here. We're going to, hopefully tomorrow, get these wired up. Alright, about 25% through the new HVIC Matrix Switchboard. Prefabbing some wires here, getting them ready for flux and solder, and hopefully be completing this today. We'll see. I got interrupted last night. Alright, this is the completed madness of all the prefabbed cables. About to solder them all together. Making progress. Almost done. Alright, here it is in partial completion. Everything except for the control circuits actually hooked up here. We've got some JST connectors for modular, connecting it to the actual output board, like these for the diodes, these here for the inductors, and this is for the output to the cell, plus a testing lead like this one right here. Alright, so here it is so far. Baseboard designed and printed. Got our high voltage relays. We've got these clamps slash kind of high voltage insulators here for those terminals. These snap on like so, keeping that nice and secure, kind of help protecting those terminals. Each relay for each function of the VIC. We have our entire circuit laid out here. We just kind of have to place it in here and put it together.
Oh, the frustration.
So you can see here, I screwed up and not all of these slots got carved. Obvious overlooking when I'm combing through my software. So a stupid reversed face on my original drawing caused it, so that little thing right there, those are all the holes I need, so we're gonna print it again. And hopefully this time be able to put all this mess together. What I do absolutely love though is just being able to send a file to my printer and just have it print. I don't have to worry about the base layer. I don't have to worry about it fitting or it's gonna jam or if it's gonna print all the way or the adhesion's gonna fucking work or it's gonna split. It's like, I love this Bamboo Lab X1C carbon. Like, X1 carbon is the best printer I have ever touched. It is reliable. It just, you hit print, it's a desktop printer. You hit print and it prints. So Bamboo, if you're listening, yeah, once I get, a few thousand followers, maybe you'll hook me up. But yeah, love it. Like, literally, like last print, it ran out of filament and I saw it, so I literally got it out of the thing, put a new piece of filament in there, and by the time it ran out, it automatically fed in the new filament I put in there and continued printing. I mean, it is something else. This is Stand Revenge.